ahead. It's a very beautiful day. You can see Mama's Tower from here. That's a pretty cool pic. Now in Africa, you wouldn't be able to walk through that without coming across a snake of some sort. Oh, this stuff is an absolute bastard of a plant. But look at that. Going closer and closer. It's getting a bit windier. So there's where the action is. Okay, I discovered you can go further. The question is, how much further? Luckily, I'm wearing some good gear today. Otherwise, I would have been screwed. I've avoided taking videos going up the hill because I sound like I'm about to die. Made it up where I wanted to get. I'm gonna make my way back down after I eat some of these. I'm gonna choose one of the alternate paths that I saw. I don't know where they're gonna take me, but I'm gonna go and see. It's like the Jurassic. From here, we can see a lovely Port Erin on the Isle of Man. It's actually crazy to think that just the other day, we were on that side of Port Erin, and here I am today. Yeah, I mean, I didn't see any paths coming up here, but apparently there is one. So yeah, this is where the journey almost ends. Found a little panther. Hi, kitty cat. And yeah, just like that, back to civilization.